Hello. I said, let me film this because this is the first time that I'm successfully so far growing ginger. And then I have some turmeric that I'm so excited that has sprouted. So I had this covered up in my windowsill. And this turmeric actually took a lot longer. I had just a little bit of water. So you can see how my turmeric is going. Not all of them look like they sprouted, but a good amount. So I'm gonna plant the ones that did. So it's looking pretty good, and I had some space in this pot. I just transferred my ginger, ginger. I just transferred it out of this container, and I put it in this larger container. And so I had room, and I said, let me put some of this turmeric. So this is, look how tall my ginger is. So I said, let me just try. So I just wanted to plant this in here as well. And I want to see how this goes. Let me see if I can get it closer so you can see better. Remember that red cabbage I dropped in my compost? I have that red cabbage that's growing, and it's January, so it's off and on cold weather. Here's that onion. Here's some more onions I dropped in there. This is something, I think this is going to be something special. My intent and goal is to take the top of a soda bottle that's clear and cover that up just so that it doesn't die. So I just put this ginger here. I mean turmeric. This is ginger, 2 gingers. Turmeric there. I'm gonna put this other, can you see? Turmeric. Put this on the side. I want it to be level. So let me see. So this is my very first time growing turmeric. So yes, my very first time. Get this other turmeric, and I have some stems on that one. I have some more dirt out here also, so see what I can do. This one, maybe my last one. Let me put some more dirt in here because I want them to be pretty much the same level. So we're gonna see. And then I still have these. They may not grow and they might grow. So I'm just gonna change out the water. There is a little bud coming out there. So it might be a little bud that you get to see. There's a little bud. So I'm gonna still wait on that and see what they talking about. And I'm going to let this sit and put some water, and I'm gonna, right now it's pretty warm. I don't have a jacket on, so I'm gonna leave it outside. But I think I have to check. Today is Thursday. I have to check the weather. But for right now, I'm gonna water this, and then I'm gonna leave it out, and then I'll bring it in before nighttime. I'll bring it in before nighttime. And that's really all I have. I have some beans growing. I wonder, I might need to get something to let these sit up so the stem doesn't break, but I'm gonna have to look into that. Cause this is the tallest I've ever grown ginger. So I'm very excited about that. So let me see. I've covered these up. Nothing has happened yet, but I think I do need to water these down and see how that goes. But here is that red cabbage in that compost bin. I have some beans back here. I don't know what they're gonna do, but I want them to trail up the fence, but I haven't Been babysitting them. Then I got some more beans right by this fence. I want them to trail. It looks like something has dug in here. Very not happy about that. So I'm not sure. Squirrels running around out here too. And that's all I have for right now. Y'all have a blessed day.